sewer camera inspection at 6526 West Oregon Avenue in Phoenix or Glendale. We have two ABS cleanouts on the north side of the property in the backyard. So these cleanouts are going to crisscross underground. One's going to go underneath the house, the other one's going to go out to the street. We're headed underneath the house right now. I do have a little bit of water running in the kitchen sink right now, just to help give us a good flow. Quite a bit of gunk built up on the bottom of the pipe there, grease. Should be cleaned out just to prevent any clogging. See all the buildup that's being pushed by the camera head there. Checking the connections, making sure everything lines up. That's going to go up to a roof vent. Connection looks good. Connection there looks good. Now we're going to go down that hole and go out to the city connection. You can see that's not very round right there, but it does look like it's a fine connection. You see we've got a connection about every 4 feet or so. 36. That's the end of it right there. You see there's a large gap in between the ABS and the clay pipe there. It's a very large gap. I'm going to see if I can locate that. So I located that just a couple feet from the back fence there, where that transitions into clay. There's a pretty large gap there. I don't want anything leaking out of that pipe. And then there's your city connection in between the two properties here to the north, 43 feet. So there's definitely some gunk built up in the line. There's a pretty large section where there's a gap between the clay pipe and the ABS. This big gap right there. Definitely some hydrojet maintenance required on this line to clear it out, make sure everything looks good underneath all that gunk.